Well, I was filming and something popped up and cut it off. I'm just sitting back here relaxing, listening to the birds sing. There's a dove up there. Hope everybody's having a good evening. It's a lot cooler today and there's a little breeze that feels so good. I could fall asleep. Got me something to drink. Lipton peach tea. It's real good. Tastes peachy. Mm. Oh yeah, I did notice. I was looking at the garden. I was pulling some of the grass was trying to grow in there again, and I was looking for that to see if that was a ladybug. I couldn't find it on the zucchini. And I did notice, I showed y'all some flowers. I've got a zucchini that's about, I don't know, 2 inches long and about the size of your little pinky. And there's a spaghetti squash growing that's a little bit smaller than the zucchini. So they're starting. Well, that dove took off. It was cooing up a storm. As you can see the birds coming out of that magnolia tree all the time. You can't really see them when you look at the tree, but boy, they're in there. I'll tell you that. Usually I have a family of bluebirds that they come over here and like I showed in one of my ones out here, they'll land on that light post there and they'll land on those two old satellite dishes up there. There's about 5 or 6 of them. I don't know where they are lately. And we haven't seen any hummingbirds so far this year. That's surprising me because usually we see at least 2 or 3 by now. But we hadn't seen a one, so right now all I've got in my feeder is just plain water because it'll go bad after a few days and I don't want to make them sick if they do come. But if we see them hanging out, trying to get that water, then I'll put some nectar in it and maybe they'll start coming around. We love it back here. The birds that make the most noise in the morning, they don't, especially when it's hot, they don't do much during the day. When it's hot, then it's starting about 7 o'clock, they'll start back up. It's time for them to wind down. Then they start all over again next morning. Well, I don't want to make this too awful long, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this back here. I'll do this more often when we relax back here. Joy's not back here right now. I think she's watching something on TV. She didn't want to leave. She'll probably come out later. But I'm just going to hang out here and maybe I'll fall asleep. I don't know. I could very easily. Didn't sleep much last night. But anyway, please press like, subscribe if you hadn't already, and hit that notification bell so that you get all my videos as soon as they come out. God bless everyone and have a great night. And I'll see you at the devotions in the morning at the Garden of Hope, if YouTube cooperates. Thanks so much and have a great evening, everybody. Bye-bye.